I am Sam Latif. I'm P&G's first ever company accessibility leader. My vision is that everyone, regardless of their disability, gets the same benefit when they interact with our products.
My name is Kevin Higgins, and I'm a director of engineering. It only took a couple conversations with Sam and watching a couple videos of our consumers who struggle to identify products to go, why would we do this, to why haven't we done this?
My name is Shane Mays. I'm R&D go-to-market leader. I was recruited to lead the global restage initiative. And I heard this name, Sam Latif. She reached out and said, hey, while we're making these changes, we would like to also make the packaging more accessible.
It started out as a pretty daunting task to where we weren't sure how we were going to execute it.
The mission was to find a way to implement tactile on the bottle in a way that would not disrupt the business, that wouldn't be too expensive, and it wouldn't slow down our production.
We casted a net to multiple suppliers. Domino right away was the most engaged and the most interested in helping us move this idea along. The engagement, the interaction, the questions, the support that I was getting right away is honestly something that I'll never forget.
The initial request from Procter Gamble was they wanted to print a series of shapes and be able to feel them by touch. Sam said, we've been given the impossible task, but we need to make it work.
One of our challenges was to keep the container integrity and keep the container stable. When we had the first promising results, we invited Samara to visit us here in Hamburg. We worked as a team to optimize the application.
Sam and I went to the Domino test lab in Hamburg, Germany, and were able to partner with the experts on site who had already spent a lot of time truly understanding what it was that we were going after. Instantly, we were getting samples.
I felt this warmth from the team, and I just remember that feeling of, oh my God, we've done it.
Typically with a bottle like this, I couldn't even read what it was. So then to have the tactile feel on the bottom and know what it is, something that's gonna really be life-changing for a lot of people.
Having little raised lines at the bottom of a bottle or circles that are raised that can just easily tell me tactily what it is. It makes a difference for me personally in my everyday life. And to know that Procter Gamble and Domino took the time to do this for someone like me really means the world to me, and it helps me on a daily basis. And I just think it's really awesome that companies are doing this.
The experience working with Domino was fantastic. Throughout this whole process, it was a true partnership between P&G and Domino to enable this solution. That really gave us the confidence then to say, okay, we can launch this in market and not have any fear of giving an inferior product to our consumers.
You know, we are here to help. We will go the extra mile, and it just builds that stronger relationship. But more importantly, it's been great to actually deliver something that people need.
This project, I think, is really just, the catalyst or the spark to really kick off the inclusive design for the company.
What was a simple, naive dream of mine, that the determination, the partnership of Procter Gamble and Domino together, that willingness and partnership made something that seemed impossible, possible. It's amazing. It's really amazing. So thank you, Domino. Thank you very much.